Hello everyone, this is Dr. Muhammad Ibrar. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps of using the VLOOKUP formula in Excel to efficiently search and retrieve the data. So let's suppose we have our data for the employees in your company or in your organization and you want to search from your file. So what you have to do, simply we'll just copy these steps, the headings, we will paste it here. Now here we will select these three columns and we will insert a VLOOK formula here. So we'll select VLOOKUP, then we will select this empty cell under the name, comma, then we have to select the table array. So we'll select the whole table, and then we will select columns. We will select two columns, name and address, then comma, 0, comma. Now you have to press Control and Enter together. So that's done. Now if you will write the name of any employee, you will get the data here. Let's suppose I'm writing here Ali. I got the data for the Ali, for the address, for their assistant, job title, for their salary. If I'll move the name to like Noor, I'll get the data for the Noor. If I'll just type the name of any employee like Tariq, so not here, it's here, Tari, I got the data for the Tariq. Similarly, you can type any name, you will get the data. That's all for this. It was a very quick video. So if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel for the more informative videos. Thank you.